y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I am excited about this collab, y'all. Miss Jackie Russell invited me to this collab. She is the host, and she does Dollar Tree Train collabs from time to time. And she invited me to this one. One is called Fall into Halloween. So there's 12 channels. What we're going to do is show you 10 items from our Dollar Tree. And then we're doing a giveaway. Every channel is doing a giveaway. We're going to ask you to be subscribed to all 12 channels, publicly subscribed. And I have a video in my description that shows you how to do that. If you don't know how, ask me. If you need any help, if you can't follow the video or I do have cats, so sorry for that. Sorry for the noise, but ask me and I'll be happy to walk you through it. Also, we would like you to rate our video based on what we got. You don't have to compare us to each other. Just when you see what I got, did I do a bad job or did I do a good job? I will tell you this. I have a very small Dollar Tree by me, very small. So it's slim pickings, but I did the best I could. I did get 10 items, and we were to get Halloween or fall items. And mostly what I got are fall items, because that's what I prefer. As you can see by my decor, that's what I like to do. I got this cute little thing at the Dollar Tree, and I've had it up for a little while. This will run until Sunday, October 15th. It will end at 3 p.m. Central Time. And you have to be, like I said, publicly subscribed to all 12 channels to win. And you can win on one channel. So there's 12 giveaways. I hope that makes sense. Now, my giveaway, I will tell you about it at the end. Okay, here we go, toward the end. Let me tell you the channels very quick that are in this. Of course, Miss Jackie Russell, Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More, Reviews with Sue, Flay Blatcher, Laura Wooten Reviews, Favorites with Laura, Katie's Corner of the World, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Unboxing with Arlene, Lori's Life, Simply Southern Belle, which is Brandy, and me. And this is Camille, and she is a kitten, and she is destructive. So let me move her away and try to show you what I got. So the Dollar Tree that I have, we have food, we have things, I did get a couple of Halloween style things, and then I got a couple of fall items. And I love their decor. I mean, I can't get over the pricing of their decor. I got everything's $1.25 now. My Dollar Tree doesn't have the fancy. They don't have the $5 and the $3 items. They just have the $1.25 items. And I do love the signs. Not this sign I got there, and that sign I got there, and I think that sign also. And I just love their signs. They're just on press board, but they're fine, and these were from last year, y'all. This is new for this year. This one says Fall Blessings, and that's what I like to say. So that is perfect for me. I love it. And it's just really, they decorate it. Look it has sparkles on and everything. It's really cute. And then I did get this for my kitchen. This is a towel. They have beautiful towels there. They have Halloween and then they have fall. And I do love the fall decor. This is just a nice, absorbent dish towel. So $1.25. So, and then I have some more decor items, and some are Halloween. This I thought was super cute to put on your window, to put on your glass door. It's pumpkin. There's a cat, black cat, some corn, candy corn, ghost. It says boo, and there's a bat. Isn't that adorable? I love it. They have several different kinds to pick from. They have fall and they have Halloween as well. And then I thought these were super cute, super soft and comfortable. These have cute little bats on them. And this I thought was really pretty. They have some scarves at the Dollar Tree. And this one is sugar skulls. And I just love the color. The color is beautiful. And then there you have your sugar skulls. And I just thought that was real pretty. You could actually use it as a scarf. You could tie this around your bag, the handle of your bag or anything, just keep it in the car for when you need it. It's nice to have. $1.25. I can't get over some of the pricing. And this is one of my favorite things that I got. This is a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. And I'm just noticing that this wire, okay, there, let me move it it is glass. and it is orange. And they did have some other colored ones as well, purple, I think, and maybe green. And then it has a jack-o'-lantern face. And then you can hang this if you want. You can put a candle in here, or you can put one of those nice a battery-operated kind so that it's safe. And you can hang these outside, you know, if you're going to have a little party outside, or in the house, or you can just put them down somewhere, and they're super cute. You can put some candies in here also, which I think is really cute. And that brings me to this. I got this, I opened this up so that I wouldn't have to take time. This is called Harvest Decor, and these are real cute. They're these, you know, you won't be able to see them really in the pumpkin, so they're really for a vase. These are little acorns, and there's a couple different colors. They're just little plastic acorns, and they can fill the bottom of a vase, and then you can put other things in it, some flowers or something. So they're in there right now, but you know, like I said, it's sort of hard to see right there. But in glass, a couple of bags of that in a beautiful glass vase with some water and some nice fall flowers would be really pretty. Camille, please calm down. And then I got this cute bag, $1.25. These are adorable, and I'm going to use them to decorate. There's 3 in this pack. These are just, you know, I just opened it now for the first time. These, I think, are styrofoam. I thought they were plastic, but they feel like styrofoam. They have a little clip on them, so you can take that off if you just want to lay them, you know, on your mantle or something, but you can clip them to something. Isn't that cute? I mean, even on that sign, when I hang that sign up, I may want to clip 1 or 2 to it. Isn't that adorable? And there's 3 in the package. And again, they had several different colors to choose from. Super cute. Super, super cute. And Camille is laying on top of everything. I think I have 2 more items to show you. And this I could not pass up. It was so cute. This is, it just says decor. This is a little owl, a little stuffed owl. And again, they had it in several different colors, and I just like the fall colors of the green, the olive green, and the little orange wings. And it's just a little burlap, maybe. It's not as rough as burlap, so just some fabric that's been sewn together with, we've got a little nose there, a little button eyes, and this is like a little hay for the eyes. Isn't that adorable? I thought that was really, really cute. Cute decor. They really have a lot of cute stuff. As you all know, you go to if you have a Dollar Tree by you. And then this is the last item that I got, and I really thought this was very, very beautiful. And I'm looking at it, and it's all like crackled to make it look old-fashioned. This is my star piece. It is an angel, and it's glazed. The face is not glazed. The face, well, yeah, it is. It's just, but it doesn't have, you know, eyes and nose and whatever. The hair is not glazed. So it's just, you know, a little ceramic, and the beautiful leaves are her wings, and she's holding a leaf right there. Maple leaves, they look like. And then there's acorns around her skirt, and she's just a beautiful angel. I just think she's very beautiful for fall decor. And a couple of these on your Thanksgiving table, 1 on each end with some candles in the middle. Wouldn't that be cute? So that is what I got. So like I said, if you don't mind taking a moment to rate me 1 to 10, and please be kind, because I just, you know, I know that some people have some Dollar Trees have fabulous stuff, and I can't wait to see what the other ladies got, because this is just so much fun. And a lot of them have Halloween, more Halloween, and some of us have more fall. So all of these channels are channels, some are newer to me and some I've known for a long time. They're all lovely, lovely ladies. And I can't really tell you about each individually because I'm trying to keep the video a little short. But Miss Jackie Russell is the hostess, and then also Tracy from Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More made our beautiful ads. I've had 2 up if you've seen them. And she also made our thumbnails for all of our videos. And she also is making our playlist for our videos. So I am having a little trouble with YouTube putting things in my description. Like, it won't let me do it. I have been able to do it at the last minute. So if you see nothing in my description, look at my comment. I'll have it pinned with our playlist, okay? So look for that. And then my giveaway to you, again, it ends October 15th at 3 p.m. Central Time. If you win my giveaway, I will make you, some of these items might get in there, but I'll make you a nice giveaway of some good beauty products, skincare type of things, okay? So if you want to enter, some people just come to support, which is wonderful. If you want to enter, say CAT, C-A-T, how does that sound? And that'll be our quote unquote secret word. It's not really secret. It's just if you'd like to enter the giveaway, say CAT. And if you're just here for support, thank you. Thank you for watching. And go check out everybody's channel and enter their giveaways because you've got 12 chances to win. So thank you so much, y'all. I really love the decor. You know, with budgeting and the price of everything these days, incredibly going high. I know $1.25. It sort of made me mad when they went to $1.25, but still $1.25. Where are you going to get something this cute to decorate with for $1.25? Unless you're handy and crafty, and they do have all kinds of stuff like that at the Dollar Tree for you to make things. I'm not that way. I'm not crafty. I don't have time to craft, but you know, things like this. If you are a crafter, how much fun is that? And like I said, these came in different colors, so thank you all for stopping by. It's so good to see you. If you're new here, thank you for visiting. And I hope that you'll stay because I really like my subscribers and we have a lot of fun on this channel. So take care, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.